Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox friends. Connecting with others on Roblox is a fantastic way to enhance your gaming experience. First, let's cover the basics of sending and accepting friend requests. You'll learn how to navigate the friend system, ensuring you can easily add new companions. We'll also touch upon the crucial aspect of privacy settings, helping you manage who can interact with you. Get ready to expand your social circle and enjoy Roblox with more friends. One of the best places to find new friends is right within the games you play. While in a game, open the player list, usually accessible through an icon on your screen. From there, you can click on a player's name and send them a friend request. Look for players who communicate well, collaborate effectively, or simply make the game more fun. Engaging with others in popular experiences is a great way to naturally build connections and find like-minded individuals. Beyond in-game interactions, the Roblox website and app offer powerful tools for finding friends. You can use the search bar to look up specific users by their username. Additionally, exploring various groups and forums dedicated to your favorite games or interests is an excellent strategy. Many players connect there before even playing together. Remember to regularly check your profile for pending friend requests, which you can easily accept or decline to manage your social network. While making new friends is exciting, safety should always be your top priority. Never share personal information like your real name, address, or phone number with anyone you meet online. If someone makes you feel uncomfortable or behaves inappropriately, use the report feature immediately. Only accept friend requests from people you genuinely trust and feel comfortable interacting with. By following these simple guidelines, you can enjoy a safe and positive social experience on Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.